Lesson 42, reading practice number 6. Data processing. Most office work today, including that performed by secretaries, ordinarily deals with information in one form or another, period. This is information that is usually vital to the successful, efficient operation of the business, period. The conversion of facts and figures into a meaningful form is often called data processing, period. Data processing is not anything new, paragraph, ever since people began conducting business transactions, the information concerning them has had to be processed, paragraph. The thing that is new, of course, is the exceedingly rapid growth in the amount of information and of the calculations required to process large quantities of information easily and quickly, period. Also, new is the complexity of the equipment that handles this processing, period. When people work together toward practical, recognized goals, data must be processed, paragraph. An essential purpose of the processing of data is providing substantial information on which business executives can base decisions, formulate procedures, and initiate actions, period. If these pieces of information are to be useful, they must be accurate and immediately accessible, paragraph. As most people know, information can be processed with a pencil and paper, with simple office machines, or with elaborate computer systems, paragraph. A secretary will not, in all probability, be responsible for the actual operation of of elaborate data processing equipment, period. But the secretary will be expected to take every opportunity to familiarize himself or herself with the details of the fundamental operations that are common to the simpler kinds of data processing equipment, period. Reading practice number 7, letters of request. To run their businesses with efficiency, business executives generally need many different kinds of information, period. They need price list, quotations, and various other types of valuable information, period. They often obtain this information by writing letters of request, paragraph. In business, time is money, and the need to get accurate information in the shortest possible time also represents money, period. Consequently, substantially, sums are spent on finding improved ways of obtaining the information needed, paragraph. Less than 100 years ago, requests for money were almost always handled by letters, period. Today, the majority of businesses request payments by means of a printed statement, period. Increasingly, billing has become a mechanized procedure, period. Computers calculate and print thousands of requests for money, paragraph. In spite of greater labor saving devices, the writing of request letters is still a function of great importance, period. Why? Question mark. The most important reason is that mechanized requests lack the personal touch that could build human relationships and goodwill, period.